Welcome back. Today we will learn about the password policy. How we can set the password policy for IAM user. You can set a custom password policy on your AWS account to meet the complexity requirements and mandatory rotation period for your IAM user's password. If you do not set a custom password policy, the IAM user password must conform to the default AWS password policy. Default password policy. If an administrator does not set a custom password policy, then IAM user passwords must meet the default AWS password policy. The default password policy fulfills the following conditions: minimum password length of 8 characters and a maximum length of 128 characters. Minimum of 3 of the following mix of character types: uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and that non-alphanumeric, that is special characters. Custom password policy options. When you configure a custom password policy for your account, you can specify the following conditions. To create a custom password policy, sign into the AWS Management Console. As you can see here, I am already on a IAM dashboard. In the navigation pane, choose Account Settings. In the password policy section, choose change password policy. Select the options that you want to apply to your password policy. Password minimum length. You can specify a minimum of 6 characters and a maximum of 128 characters. Here I have specified 8 characters for password minimum length. Password strength. You can select any of the following checkboxes to define the strength of your IAM user passwords. Select the checkbox for require at least one uppercase letter. Select the checkbox for require at least one lowercase letter. And select the checkbox for require at least one number. Then select the checkbox for require at least one non-alphanumeric characters. Enable password expirations. After the password set, you can select and specify the minimum of 1 and the maximum of 1095 days. The IAM user's password can be valid, but you can set to expire the password after 90 days and can change it before logging to AWS Management Console. The AWS Management Console warns IAM users when they are within 15 days of password expiration. Allow users to change their own password. By enabling this option here, you can permit all the IAM users in your account to use the IAM console to change their own passwords. But I will not go with this right now. Prevent password reuse. By enabling these options, you can prevent IAM users from reusing a specified number of previous passwords. You can specify a minimum number of 1 and a maximum number of 24 previous passwords that can't be repeated. Here, we will go for 3 previous passwords can't be repeated. And then go to choose save changes. The password policy has been updated successfully. Here I would like to show you the password which we have created can be checked. We can check the credential report for IAM users and root user as well. Let me show you how to do that. Under access reports, you can get the credential report. Once you click on it, you can download the credential report and check the status of various credentials. Let's click on download, and once it is downloaded, we'll open it to see all the credentials. As you can see here, we have created one IAM user account. We can check the ARN, user creation time, password enable, password last use, last change, next rotation to change the password, MFA active. As you can see here that MFA is active for both the users, and many more things we can check here for IAM user and root user as well. Let's close this file and come back to the IAM dashboard. One more thing I would like to show you that as like we have created a password policy, we can even change or delete a custom password policy. Let's see how we can do it. To change a custom password policy, in the navigation pane, choose Account Settings. In the Password Policy section, choose Change. Select the options that you want to apply to your password policy. Whenever here you would like to change, you can do it, like password minimum length from 8 character to anything as you want. You can uncheck the box whichever you don't want to specify, can change the password expiration days from 90 to 100 or 8, anything as per your organization password policy. Even you can check the box to reset the password by administrator after password expired. Also, you can change the prevent password reuse. Then you can save it, but here I will not go to change this one, so I will go to cancel this. Now I will show you how to delete a password policy. Choose delete. Confirm that you want to delete the custom password policy by choosing delete custom. Once you deleted the password policy, it will revert to the default policy. I will not go to delete this, so cancel this and come back to the IAM dashboard. So guys, here we have seen that how to create, change or delete a custom password policy for IAM user. See you guys again on my next video. Till then, have a great day and bye bye.